Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings, alishanmao here. I'm going to fly the Flywing Huey UH-1 once again, right here at my favorite spot. All GPS satellites are locked, and we'll try to do some aerobatics as well, like loop and rolls. So, center stick, GPS mode. GPS mode, giving me lots of winds. That was a big roll, man. So, rolls are nice. No, that was loops, man, sorry. That was a loop. So basically, the helicopter should be able to hold inverted as well. Look at that. Have you seen a Huey flying inverted? As I mentioned, helicopter has enough power to fly 3D, and you can basically do basic maneuvers as well, basic 3D as well. So that was a roll, and I'm gonna come backward roll. You know, doing like basic rolls and loops is the best thing, because that's what these real helicopters can actually do. Just like this. That's what real helicopter will do. Beautiful. So as I mentioned in my previous videos, helicopter Huey UH-1 has plenty of power to do even 3D, like rolls, TikToks, you know. I mean, really, the scale helicopter should not do that, but I'm just giving you a demonstration of its power. That's what mostly the real helicopter will do, you know. Rolls just like this and loops that I have shown you. And when you are done doing this, switch it to GPS mode, and it's your puppy right here. Mashallah, man, beautiful helicopter, plenty of power and performance. I simply love it, and if you order it, you are also gonna simply love this helicopter, inshallah. This is one of the best, I would say, among all my Flywing helicopters that I've tested. This is absolutely one of the best scaled, military scale RC helicopters from Flywing. Okay. Oh. So it seems like my radio just went into bind mode, but I have activated RTH, so I'm not worried. Helicopter is returned back already on fail-safe RTH. So you see, when things happen, the return to home fail-safe is still very, very safe. I believe my radio is doing this a lot. I have had these issues before with my Radiomaster TX16S. When people are flying racing quads, they are using very powerful systems around 2.4 GHz and other, and I do have some issues in my Radiomaster TX16S. I'm glad I wasn't flying manual helicopter. It was a GPS Huey UH-1, and it actually came back and landed itself. You see, Not only this helicopter is an absolute joy to fly in GPS mode, but in 3D mode, you can pull basic 3D routines on this one, like simple rolls and loops like a real helicopter. Or if you want to go further, you can do inverted flights, some side tic-tocs, forward tic-tocs as well, and some other basic 3D routines. Don't go too hardcore because the magnetic canopy might come off because of the G-forces, hit the main rotor head, and you will have a big crash. So don't do hard movements, but soft 3D is simply fun. And last but not least, how reliable it is to come back and land, and you will not lose your RC helicopter. One more thing before I end this video, I want to say, because it has a 20+ minutes of flight time, flight endurance, so you can actually install a good receiver that has 4 or 5 kilometer range. You can put on an FPV system. You can fly even FPV on it, like kind of mid-range FPV, 1 to 2 kilometer. Anything goes wrong, RTH will bring the helicopter back. Enjoy, people. Thank you very much for watching this video. Give this video a big thumb up, stay subscribed, and hit that little bell icon. Turn on all the notifications. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.